gotta save her.
So, Mandy, I just wanted to ask you about this prized aloe here that you mentioned yesterday was really totally recovering and maybe only lost a leaf or two and the flies were for something else and not the dead plant.
All right, I feel like I can save it. And I know, okay, look, this part obviously snapped off and died from there. And due to the nature of what's inside an aloe plant, that very fragrant juice for the flies, they're all coming over. But I'm gonna just put a little sulfur on top, and I think I can save this. Look at how big she is. She's so old. I gotta save her.
And dead.
She's not dead.
So what's the story with this one? Is this the one that threw herself out of its own pot and ended her own life?
Kind of like this one. See how this one's trying to jump out of its pot? She did it, and she landed on the ground. I rushed to her safety. I repotted her, and now we're just going through some pains as we figure out how to get back on track. But look, she's got, what, 4 giant aloe leaves here for photosynthesis. I'm gonna put a little sulfur on here to stop the flies and any infection. This doesn't feel rotty. We might still have a solid root structure.
Okay, so with that being said, when exactly do you call it quits with an aloe?
Okay, I'm gonna call it quits if all the leaves fall off.
Okay. Will you though?
Yeah, because then I know.
Does this count as a leaf?
No, yeah, that one I cut yesterday.
Is that still a leaf? So if that's there and everything else is gone, it's still good to go?
This one I cut yesterday. But look, this isn't even that bad.
Okay, all right.
This isn't even that bad. Look, that still's got some health in it.
That's dead.
No, this is gonna be good.
All right, so
I'm gonna put some sulfur on that.
So as long as there's a touch of green, we don't quit, right?
As long as there's at least one leaf, I'm gonna keep trying to save her. I can save her. She's so old.